Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1966 Ford Fairlane killer car, guys. It's not a real GT car. It's a clone, but I'll tell you what, man, this car has just undergone, it was finished in 2018, I believe, and it's all documented. A complete nut and bolt frame off restoration and beautifully done, man. Love this car. This is a factory color combination. It's a dark blue metallic with the blue vinyl interior. Car as a pounding 445 stroker motor in it. It's been all dynoed. We got all the dyno sheets for it. We have all the build receipts for the car. I think it was 388 horse on the dyno with 500 some odd foot-pounds of torque. Killer car, C6 automatic trans, disc brakes, 9-inch Ford 390 rear end. It's got electric dumps, line lock, and just gorgeous car, man. Slick paint, chrome and stainless is nice. This car was built right. Car's out of Virginia. It's small. It's a small world. I bought this from a guy, husband and wife, really nice people, and they're friends with a guy that I bought, I don't know, a dozen Mopars from. But nice car, man. You can see chrome and stainless is nice. He said there's about a couple thousand miles on this car. Love the color combination. Again, it is not a factory 390 car. It's a tribute car, clone car. Look how nice that chrome is. I love this body style. You can see a little crack there in your dash pad. These are not easy to find, man. This body style is, I just don't see a lot of them. If you're a Ford guy looking for something cool, I like these better than Mustangs, to be honest with you. I love these cars. Slick paint. Very nicely done. We've had this car on the expressway. Drives out excellent. You know, it's nice and tight. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with 15-inch style wheels. It's got a great sound to it. Really a nice car, man. Real nice. Beautiful set of wheels on it. It's got all frame connectors underneath there. It's all brand new bushings. It's been converted to front disc brakes. Full roller motor, so it starts off with this 390, it's stroked out to a 445 cubic inch, quick fuel 750, dual feed 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock aluminum intakes, got Edelbrock aluminum heads. It's complete Edelbrock kit. Edelbrock roller rockers, hydraulic roller camshaft. You can see it's got the MSD Pro Billet distributor in it. Aluminum high flow water pump. Does have ceramic headers. C6 automatic trans with a TCI converter. Literally turn the key, take this car right to the car show. Polished aluminum radiator. And again, it's all new bushings. The car's been completely taken apart and reassembled. Love the color. nice those A-pillars are. New mirrors, new door handles. There's your door tag. Pretty car. Factory bench seat. $88,630 on your odometer. That's supposed to be the right mileage to the car. There's your little power button down there for your dumps. It's got aftermarket Autometer tach, gauges, AM radio. Again, it's Flowmaster dual exhaust, got electric dumps, H-pipe, 9-inch Ford 390 posi rear end. It's got traction bars on it. And a fun car to drive. If you wanted to just cap the dumps, you can. Again, here's all the paperwork for the car, photos of the engine being done, the dyno sheets are in here. Yeah, 538 foot-pounds of torque, 388 horsepower. A little moisture in there. Let's get wet. Nice car. I believe the jack and definitely a spare, and I think the jack's in there too. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. Love the color, and like I say, just a good car. Very nicely done. So the car's real nice underneath. Killer car. Could not come close to building this car for what we're going to ask for it. I'll tell you that right now. Go ahead, Jordy. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, full roller motor. Engine rocks, man. And it's tame enough to get on the expressway and cruise it. Yeah, this car's just cool. Fuel gauge works, speedo works. All your gauges are functional down there. Open your Jordy loves that. Hopefully you can see it, that sun's right behind me, but even your reverse lights work. The reverse lights working. That car's wicked bad right there. You know, I didn't. Oh, it works. Blower motor, I know it works. Yep, it works. I never turned that radio on. It's pretty cool that it works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Jordy loves those dumps. That car is tough, man. a great day, guys.